Hey YouTube, it's BB again. I'm in a video recording mode. Got today off from work. Gonna try to get some videos done, uploaded. But this is another bash my stash video. So I had a few pieces left. I saved it this time to show you guys. From this kit here, it's a MAMBI, Me and My Big Ideas. And it was called Ocean. And it came with papers and stickers and letters to use. Now I'm going to tell you right now, letters, stickers, not my fave. I know some people just jones for the letters, not me. But I tried to use what was in here. And I love that it was glitter, but there just wasn't enough to make the words. You know, you really need doubles and triples of some of the letters. So, that being said, that just went in the garbage. First layout, we would just call it Ocean. I used the letter stickers, a couple stickers from the pack, and hopefully you can see this paper is very, very pretty. My only complaint is that it's very thin. But, hey, it's pretty. So, and when it goes in the album, you won't know how thin it is. So, that will be layout number 1. This page here is called, I'm going to say, Down by the Seashore. Okay, let's see. Stickers from the pack. These are cutouts from, of course, my Crafter's Companion die set. Put one nice picture there. So I like that one. This color screams the beach. Those were stickers, and this is like a journaling sticker from the pack. And let's pull you back a little bit. 2 nice pictures can go here. This just screams beach to me, the color. So really like this one. And this one I did a little different. This was paper from the pack. This was paper from the pack and a beach. But this is very nautical paper, let's just say that. And this, so I thought this kind of looks like journaling, but I thought one nice big picture could go here. So that is how I bashed what was left in that paper pack. So very happy that making a tiny bit of room in my craft room. So let me hear your ideas. Comment below. How do you bash your stash? What are you doing to get rid of it? Or are you a hoarder? Now, I will admit, I'm a hoarder when it comes to graphic 45 paper. I like to buy one piece to keep and one piece to cut, because it hurts me to cut graphic 45 paper because it's so pretty. But anyway, that's my little project for getting rid of that little bash there. Hope everybody's doing good. Stay safe. And if you like what you see, subscribe. Gonna try to do way more videos. Getting my crafting mojo back. So anyway, hope everybody's doing well. We will talk to you soon, and have a great 4th of July weekend. Bye now.